Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so. Swipe down once again, and this will extend a list of toggles. And on one of the pages you should have a power saving mode. Now if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left. This will show you a second page where we have our power saving mode. As you can see, it's called here stamina mode. So you can enable it by simply tapping on it. And that's all you would need to do. Now it turns your outlines of the battery red, just so you can know that it is enabled. And the reason you might be interested in knowing later on if it's enabled or not is because this kind of power saving modes tend to delay delivery of notifications that require internet connection. So notifications from like Facebook, Instagram, email fetching, and so on might be delayed. If you ever encounter such a thing, that's the culprit. Anyway, once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again, and your device will go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.